My name is Jo O'Sullivan and I'm here to talk to you about the 4 types of dispute resolution processes. So a mediator is someone who's highly skilled and trained and practiced in helping people reach a set of proposals that are going to suit that family. So I've never met a family that's the same as another. Everybody has different needs, different circumstances, and the children of course are all different, have different needs. And the mediator's job is to coax out an agreement out of disagreement quite often. Quite often people are very upset about things and they really just need a bit of help from somebody who's going to be positive and help them focus on the future. Well, sometimes we have to think about the past a bit because it informs our future, but mostly, okay, what's happening next? Where are we going next? In an impartial way, an independent way, and that can be very helpful for people. I would go to the Family Mediators Association website, I would go to Resolution website, and the government runs a website as well. So and really you want someone who's got a bit of experience and someone who's got a real feel for it. And asking around, you can certainly find someone in most areas. That's possible. A child can speak to a mediator, and you need to find a mediator who's trained to deal specifically with children. The child won't actually go into the mediation session, but the child will be spoken to separately by the specially trained mediator, and in a sense will pass messages back. And some surprising things can come from that. I work with other mediators. I think it can be helpful to have one mediator doing the mediation with the couple, and then another mediator perhaps talking to the children. That can be helpful, having that separation. Some people might not think it appropriate. I think it depends on the age of the children. Very young children, I'm not sure it is. But the older the children, I think their wishes and feelings are really important. Yeah, vulnerable people and victims of domestic abuse can thrive in the mediation process. I have heard victims of domestic violence really feel very safe, able to say it like it is in a way that they've never been able to in their relationships because they've been too scared and fearful of the consequences. And the mediator can set up various mechanisms to protect them, for example, arriving early, allowing the perpetrator of the domestic violence to leave before them, with plenty of gaps in between so that they don't meet. It can be possible to have shuttle mediation where the couple are in different rooms with the mediator shuttling between the two. But I think the real power of it is being in the same room and saying, you know what you did to me? No. And I think that's very empowering for anyone. And it's very magical mediation. It's very, you can go from a couple who have had years of litigation and they're in the room and suddenly they hear each other for the first time, not changed through solicitors' letters, not something a barrister is saying on their behalf, but they are saying it, and they can forgive themselves, and each other for stuff that's happened. And you can feel it, the tension leaving the room, the hatred actually going, and tears, and suddenly we're in a place where we can do some business. It's really powerful.